Okay, now next up we have homework 3, which is the line project. Materials needed will be 2 to 3 sheets of sketch paper that you're going to work out ideas on. You need an HB or a 2B graphite pencil. You'll need 1 sheet of Bristol paper, a sheet of black mat board, and then your best black ink pens. And then you will need spray mount adhesive. This project will illustrate the power of line and pattern to effectively communicate things visually to the viewer. Sketch out your ideas on a sheet or 2 of sketch paper. Choose the size and format option that I've given you to work with. And if you look down below, you see that I'm giving you a 6 by 6 inch option or a 6 by 8 inch option. You choose which one you want to put your drawing into. And of course, as you can see from the graphic, that's going to affect the size that you're going to cut your mat at. Carefully outline on Bristol paper the area you want to fill with your drawing. Carefully draw or trace your image onto that prepared sheet, and then do your ink drawing work. Then cut your Bristol paper to size. You then need to spray the adhesive on the back in order to place it onto the front of your prepared mat board. And we've gone over that in class, how to do that. So remember the demonstration work that took place in class. And then you need to cover it with tracing paper, as I'm showing you again in the graphic below. So that is the heart and soul of what you're going to be doing. Now I'm giving you images to work with, and as you look further down below, I give you 4 different choices or images of an elephant to draw and make a drawing from in order to do this, or you can do a horse. Now I have examples below of the horse and the elephant, different successful examples across the very bottom, and these include more of kind of a straight up illustration representational approach. On the horse, designs that seem to be very much of the person's own invention. Here in the one on to the left of that, the student was a textile student, was interested in textiles, and so they really brought in a bunch of different kinds of designs from textiles, which I think made it really interesting. And then here we have some designs on the far left of an image that feels very cultural, very much like a local African tribal design, perhaps. Maybe something that might be found to be decorative on a piece of artwork that they might make. So there are different kinds of approaches. Now on the right, at the bottom, I have the best example. Do something like this. The cat, well, it's what I call a good start, but it certainly is not enough. There's a lot more that needs to be done. And then the horse that you can see, this is a student that did this drawing. It was just a very bad example of how to do this project. So look at the examples, study them, and understand what it is I'm asking you to do, and then give this project a go. And good luck to you. I hope that you have success with it.